the Shona consonant D. So this is how the Shona consonant D sounds when it is combined with different vowels. Da, de, di, do, do. Da, de, di, do, do. So many people, especially those who have never spoken African languages or any Bantu languages, fall into this trap whereby they think that it sounds like da, de, di, do, do. No, it doesn't sound like that. It's da, de, di, do, do. So here are some of the examples of words with the letter D. Dama, which means cheek. Dombo, erok. Doro, beer. Demo, an X. Diki, small. Dira, paw. Domasi, a tomato. So this is it, ladies and gentlemen, for this one. Thank you so much for supporting us, and check out the next video. It is going to be on the letter F.